these protests against the atrocities against Hindus in Bangladesh. Getting some more breaking update coming in right now. Let's go to the big breaking update coming in. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar is holding that meeting in his chamber. RS chairman holding meeting in his chamber. LOP opposition Mallikarjun Kharge and JP Nadda meeting is underway as we speak. That's what we're learning of right now on Republic TV. RS chairman holding meeting in his chamber. Remember, this is the meeting on the backdrop of the ruckus that we've been seeing, the Rajya Sabha uproar, ruckus, the House being adjourned because of protests within the chambers, especially on the Gandhi Soros link. So we have seen that the business of the House has been disturbed continuously in the winter session. So there is a meeting which is underway in the chambers of RS chairman. Riyanka is joining us live. Riyanka, I'm coming across to you right now. And we had told our viewers that there was an all-party meeting which had taken place, a week ago perhaps, where they decided that they will cooperate because a lot of business of the House has to be conducted. It's a very important winter session. But looks like one more meeting has been called where we see, as you can see the pictures coming in, JP Nadda and Mallikarjun Kharge together. What could be happening inside that meeting? Go ahead, Riyanka.
See, there are meetings after meetings that have been held, be it yesterday or today morning at 10:30 a.m. or a meeting that is currently happening at the moment, or the meeting that you rightly mentioned happened last week, the all-party meeting where a consensus was reached that there will be no disruption and business will work smoothly. Well, what we see that everything is going in vain, but efforts still continue with the meeting currently being held at Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar's chamber, which has been attended by Mallikarjun Kharge and JP Nadda, the leader of the House and the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, who are currently holding this key meeting with Jagdeep Dhankar in order to chalk out a proper way, a management that the business runs properly. All of this coming in a backdrop of several adjournments and uproar in the parliament from the side of the opposition as well as the BJP, which is wanting to discuss on the Congress George Soros link that has surfaced. So several issues of these pertaining, and which is why this very, very crucial meeting is taking place. We are yet to see how fruitful these meetings turned out to be when the sessions begin once again.
Right. Riyanka is getting us all those updates coming in right now. And Riyanka, before I let you go, just a short question to you. Take our viewers through, what we have seen today itself in terms of the Rahul Gandhi theatrics, which was slammed by Kiren Rijiju. We saw that Rahul Gandhi, who is in a very important position, leader of opposition, taking part in this protest, not even being inside the parliament, but being outside the parliament. So this is definitely something that will be coming up at that meeting taking place.
Absolutely. The conduct from the side of the Congress party, especially Rahul Gandhi, has been criticized by the BJP top leadership. We heard Kiren Rijiju, Anurag Thakur, all these leaders launching a scathing attack on Rahul Gandhi and the fact that they say that he is involved in theatrics outside the parliament. Given the responsibility he has as the leader of opposition, he should be inside the House and not enter into such disruptive measures that he is leading the India Alliance in such a protest. And I'm sure that this matter will be coming up in the meeting that is currently being held at the Rajya Sabha chairperson's chamber. But do stay tuned, viewers. We will be coming back with more such hectic developments coming in from the parliament as the winter session continues to be marred by disruptions after this short break.